Hey guys, welcome back. After taking care of the gas tank, it was time to address the old rusty shocks and also the steering stabilizer and the front sway bar, along with taking care of this rusty frame. I sanded it all down to bare metal, added a primer, and then a black satin for an OEM finish. Disassembly is fairly easy. Top bolt, bottom bolt, and then the shock comes right out.
Yep. Pass me. Thank you.
Same thing goes for the rear. Remove the bottom bolt, top bolt, and your shock comes right out.
At all. It's on three.
Driver's side was completely seized, as you can see.
She rusty, alright. Gonna have to add a little bit of heat to this thing.
Moving on to the front sway bar, I wanted to restore all the hardware since it was all pretty rusty and dirty, and as you can see, the bushings were pretty much not useful anymore. I got all brand new zinc coated hardware and all new bushings. along with getting the sway bar redone in black satin as well.
Don't touch that, Papa.
And here's the finished product. Thank you for watching.